Good morning vlog, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Sabrina and I would love it so much if you would subscribe. Today I'm doing something that I've never done before. I'm going to do a boudoir shoot. My friend Erica is an amazing photographer and she's doing like a Vixen marathon where she's doing like a bunch of them in one day, and I decided that I wanted to get in on it, so I'm gonna do it. I already told Jacob because I cannot keep a surprise, so he's already aware that it's happening, but I wanted to bring you guys along because one, I've never done this before and I thought it would be fun, and just to kind of give you some background experiences and to let you know my feelings about it, just because I feel like it's such a not taboo thing, but a lot of people are scared to do it, and I'm terrified. I'm so freaking terrified right now. But Erica is an amazing photographer. She always makes me look great and she makes me feel really comfortable, so super excited about that, and I wanted to bring you guys along. So I'm gonna hop over into some clips of me getting ready so you guys can see kind of my process, and then I will check in with you guys when I'm done getting ready.
If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer to friends.
Hear the Roomba in the background because it's cleaning right now, but I'm trying to decide if I want to stick with like the neutral colors. Like I normally use the Anastasia Soft Glam. That's like my go-to with like a darker nude lip. I can do that, or I can do something spicy, but I'm scared that if I like branch out of my comfort zone that I'm not gonna like it, and then I'm gonna have these photos of myself that I don't like. So I think I'm just gonna go with my typical ABH and see kind of like where this leads me right now.
Start to open you up like a Pokeball. Open up.
So I'm done getting ready. I did this like super like, oh, I'm gonna be able to see, selfie little look. And then this nude lipstick is my favorite. It's the NYX Liquid Lingerie one that I've gotten a million times. What is on my neck? Anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna put my shoes and socks on real quick. Arthur's on my lap, getting hair all over me, and then I'm gonna head off to the venue. Hi, puppy. Can I pet you? Come here.
Open up.
I can't show you what's underneath me because I'm very naked, but we're doing it, and it's not as bad as I thought. Like, I'm feeling really comfortable and really good right now. So I finished my shoot, and yes, my lipstick is coming off. I'm in the process of eating dinner. I stopped at my McAllister's and got my orange cranberry club. It's so good, it's my favorite. And that's what I'm eating now, so that's when my lipstick's coming off, but I wanted to check in with you guys. I want to talk about the experience of doing a boudoir photo shoot for those of you who may be kind of skeptical, but I'll do that after I eat because I'm so hungry right now. Okay guys, I'm home now, and I wanted to just kind of give you guys my thoughts as a whole for this experience. If you guys don't know what a boudoir photo shoot is, basically it's a nude photo shoot, if you will. I wasn't nude in all of the pictures, but it's just meant to be like a sexy photo shoot. And I did it because I've been wanting to do it for a while. I've been having a lot of really bad self-confidence issues, but also because Valentine's Day is coming up, and my friend who's a photographer, she was doing a special on them. So I decided now was a great time to do it. So I'm glad that I did it. Going into it, I was obviously super nervous. I'm a plus-size disabled woman, and there's a lot of things that comes with both of those things, and I was really nervous. I was more put at ease because it was my friend doing it, so that made me feel a little bit better, but I had no idea what to expect, and I still haven't got the photos back, so maybe my feelings will change once I get the photos back, but it was a lot of fun. My friend made me feel really comfortable and really at ease, and she just kept telling me how good I looked. Someone else came up to put some lashes on me last minute, and she's like, you look so pretty, and it really made me feel really good. And everyone that I've talked to that's done it says that it's super empowering, and it just made me feel really good. So I would 100% do it again. It was a lot of fun. I'm glad I did it. So if you're on the fence about doing it, I think try it. If it doesn't work out, then it doesn't work out, but you know, there's no harm in trying. But I'm going through this footage real quick, and I also wanted to make mention that the venue that this was at is actually the venue that I'm getting married at, so you guys get a little sneaky peek into my wedding venue. The video clip that I showed is actually of the boys, like the men's getting ready room, but it is so cute, and I cannot wait for you guys to see the video. How sweet is he being right now? Are you being so sweet, boy? Okay, I run out of spoons or something because I just like hit the wall. I'm exhausted, so I'm gonna lay down on the couch and relax a little bit and just kind of have a chill night. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. I know this was short, but this was just a quick day in my life. I'm not gonna show me chilling on the couch because that's boring. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe and leave a comment below letting me know if you'd ever do a photo shoot like this. I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.